Hey guys, we are here today to install this ECS tuning Luft-Technik intake on our VR6 Atlas. Now this VR6 does come a little bit underpowered from the factory, especially compared to a lot of American models that have, say, 400 horsepower V8s or whatever they're stuffing in them these days. But this is still a 3.6 liter VR6 with 276 horsepower. But one of the weak points in it making power is actually the intake. Usually Volkswagen Audi group intakes are pretty sufficient for gobs and gobs of power, but a lot of companies who make an intake for this Atlas claim about 15 horsepower to the wheels. Now, I'm not a power snob, and I haven't really noticed this Atlas being too underpowered, even though it kind of is, but I am excited to install this intake so we can get just a little bit more, and we should unleash a little bit more VR6 growl. So, let's get into it. Easier than the GTI was at getting those pieces off. Well, that's good. So there is a little bit of disassembly required from this old airbox. We are taking the MAF sensor here, which is really good because that means we don't have to tune the car for this intake. You can just bolt it right in and get those horsepower gains. So let's take this off and swap it over. Next, you just gotta bolt on this little mounter adapter plate, and then you're almost ready to put the new Luft-Technik intake back in. Starting to come together. Hose clamps are tight. Just need to get the filter on, that back together, and I guess plug the MAF back in. So let's get finishing buttoning this up, bud. Should be pretty nice. I'm excited. Well, that install was very straightforward. Did it in about 35 minutes while filming in a parking lot with basic hand tools. I mean, it's a nice, easy intake install, not like the 2.0T where you had to reach around behind the intake ducting to get it off and slap it on the turbo way off in the back corner. NA, pretty nice, but it looks fantastic. ECS, you really do make some high quality parts. A lot of thought put into just the design and implementation of this product. Now, let's go for a quick little test drive to see if this does make more power. It probably should. Looks a lot less restrictive than the factory airbox. I'd love that 15, but we're not gonna get that. That is a specific number. We're gonna have a butt dyno report video on this just to see by the seat of our pants. But in this video, we're still gonna do a quick test drive to see how it drives because I'm very excited. I wanna get out on the road and see how this thing does. Definitely got some more pickup. That's really nice. I mean, the power band is just very smooth. Naturally aspirated is just gonna have a fantastic power curve just from the get-go. So adding just a little bit more to this intake just really opens this thing up. With the sound from the B2B Fab Wookie pipe, it's got a little bit more get up and go behind that little bit of growl, which is great. This is perfect because it's not too loud of an intake noise. It's not too loud of an exhaust noise. The power is very smooth. There's no turbo lag, herky-jerky, nothing. So for a daily driver, especially for my wife, this is phenomenal. I'm sure there's more power being made. You can feel it. You can feel that acceleration as the computer's learning the new air that's coming in, that there is power being made. There's definitely a fair bit, but it's kind of like, this is probably a 2-ton car. It's like adding 7 horsepower to a 1-ton car. You'll feel it, but it's not the same as if you added this 13 horsepower to a 3,000 pound car. That would be a lot more drastic of a feeling, but still you can just watch the RPMs climb. You can watch the speed go up. You can merge very, very nicely now. This is pretty good. Well, if you want to see a full in-depth review and just kind of by the seat of my pants of this intake for this VR6 Atlas, you can find it on my YouTube channel. It's called the Butt Dyno Report. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Have a great day. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.